Hello and welcome to the WhatSalon Grow tutorials. In this one, I'm going to show you how to set up the different services that you can offer to your customers in the salon. Okay, so the first thing to do is sign into WhatSalon Grow, which as always will bring you onto your dashboard. To set up services, you need to access the Setup menu on the left-hand side. Click into this and it will open the Setup menu and then select the services. Great. So this brings up all the services that we've already got set up, and it also allows us to add a service using this button here. So there's different varieties of services. You can see that we've got hair, we've got nails, and if I click into that one, it will open up the list. We've got face, and we've got massage. And you can add a variety of services into any one of these categories. I'm going to add one into the hair category. So I select the Add Service button, and this brings us into the New Service screen. The first thing to do is select a service category. So I'm going to choose hair. I'm then going to choose the service that we want to complete. Let's go for Gents Razor Cut. And then I'm going to give my Gents Razor Cut a specific name. This name is what appears in the WhatSalon app. So I'm going to call it the Gents Special Razor Cut. The next thing to do is select the staff that can complete that for you. Your staff list will appear here on the right hand side. Everybody on the list is there and they're broken down into their categories. So for this particular service, I'm going to say everybody can do it. Okay. And then I'm going to select the duration and the price for each of those categories. So it's a Gents Special Razor Cut. So let's say it's going to take 20 minutes. And we'll do that for all the categories. And then we choose our different price. So our standard price is £20. Our senior price is £25. And our junior price is £18. So we've completed category, the type, what we want to call it. We've given it to all the staff that we need to complete that service. We've selected the duration and we've selected the price. So I'm going to hit save. And there we go. Gents Special Razor Cut is now added to our services list, and it's associated with all the staff that can perform that service. And that's it. Make sure you set up all the tasks and all the services that you want your staff to complete to make sure they're bookable in WhatSalon Grow and for all your consumers in the WhatSalon app. Thanks for watching.